Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Daily Tips with Asma. Today we will tell you what is the meaning of Olivia. Olivia is one of the girls' name. Olivia is the Christian name. The origin of the name Olivia is of English origin. 3 is the lucky number for Olivia named girls. According to experts, girls named Olivia are very pretty. Olivia name meaning a form of Olga. Lucky days for people with name Olivia include Tuesday and Thursday. Red and violet colors are suitable for Olivia. Ruby is the lucky stone for Olivia named girls. Lucky metals include copper and iron by number. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.